So there we have it. Y'all tell me how this look. What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and you see behind me, we still on the Honda Civic. We always gonna be on the Honda Civic that was donated to this channel, but we're about to get into ripping on the inside of this car, getting the seats out, the carpet out, try to get the headliner out, the steering wheel off, because all that's gonna begin replaced. Even the center console gonna begin replaced. The radio, all that stuff is getting replaced. It's too badly damaged on the inside to really do any cleaning. You know, I don't want to spend a lot of time on the inside cleaning it, so I'm just gonna replace it. So let's go see what we're looking at if you're new to this channel, but if you're not, you already seen what the inside of this car looked like. We're gonna clean the trunk out already. So let's jump on into it. So if you haven't seen the interior of this car, here's the interior. Of course, the door card gonna have to be replaced. Got damage on the door card. It's mighty dirty. The steering wheel is worn, so we're gonna replace that. We're gonna replace the airbag while we at it, because you gotta take the airbag out. 2, get the steering wheel off. The seat belt was mighty worn, so we replace that too. Replacing the seats, the center console, obviously the headliner gonna get replaced. We ain't replacing the back seats; those we can clean. This is the front end, and I didn't even know this was a mat because it's so badly dirty. But that's what the carpet used to look like underneath. The mat is actually stuck to it, so we're not gonna try to clean that up. We're just gonna replace. Hopefully I can clean the mats. I don't know if they're savable, because these are the original Honda mats. But we're going to be ripping out this whole interior. You see, it's all like that in the front. Got stains everywhere. The back seats I can clean. The floor got carpet been pulled up. But we got to get this interior cleaned out and go from there. Whew. There's not nothing I haven't done before, so it should be easy for me. So let me get started. All right. I have the 2 front seats pulled out, as you can see. I'm not going to keep you on time lapse that long, because, like I said, still got a lot to do. Had mice in the car. Obviously, she's been sitting in storage. But I just stopped it real quick. Still got to take the rear seats out so we can get the carpet out. Got to take all the plastic panels off. Still got to get the headliner down, get the seat belt off. It's a lot, but then it's not a lot, because I'm used to doing this. Get this carpet, I'm going to end up cutting it because it goes, oh, it's a mess. Still got to get the foot pedal off down, your foot rest down there. Got to come off to take the carpet off. Like I said, everything about to get off, but I'll show you how to remove the steering column pretty easy and get the airbags out real quick. These little covers on each side of the steering column that you remove, and you see, I don't know if y'all can see it in there, but there's a little star bit in there. That's a T30, 2 T30s, one of each sides, and the airbag should pop on out. So I'm gonna get y'all back seated, and we're gonna get to pulling this out. Said 2 T30s, one on each side. It's gonna be hard trying to do this with y'all in the way, so I'm gonna walk around the car. Get to the other side. Or should I just sit in the car and do this? Tip the steering wheel over so I can get to this T30. And just move that. And the airbag should pop on out. There's some clips you got to unplug in the back. Mind you, the battery is disconnected. So we have no power, that's why ain't no lights on in the car. So it's 2 plugs plus your airbag plug. All you do is pull back on this and it'll release. And now for the steering column. So you will want to unplug all these other plugs because those gonna stay with the car. Well, I just want to be a pain. Ugh. Okay, I got one that want to be a pain. Come on. Usually not never this hard. All right, I'll get back to y'all when I get that one clip. Got it off. So I guess I was just doing it all wrong. You gotta press the bottom part in to release it. I was pressing the top. My bad. Oh. Now you're gonna need a 19 millimeter. Let me get the screw out. The bolt off on the 19. Then you're gonna need a harmonic balancer pulley kit to remove these steering columns. Just thread the bolts into the hose. And I have 2 of these kits. Even the extra stuff that you need to pull off different steering columns, like the J-hooks. And that's how we do it. I use a 14 millimeter on the end of mine to drive it in. And there we go. Drive it back out. Remove my pulley assembly. And be careful of pulling the wires out. Wires go back, go through there. They stay with the clock spring. And that's how you remove your steering wheel. My tires are straight, so I just have to get the steering wheel back on straight. Try to keep everything at the top. So when I put this back on, I won't have any issues. But that's how you remove your steering column off one of these old 1998 to 2000, probably 97 to 2000 Honda Civics. So let me get back to work. So, we got all that cleaned up. And like, I don't know what else to say. But she's all cleaned out. Put the old carpet out. Got the other seat belt out. Only reason we doing this right now because tomorrow it's supposed to rain. And y'all know my garage is full. So, the carpet is sitting outside the garage. And I know how I get down. If I got the parts, I like to get them put on. So, let me throw this carpet in and go from there. So, there we have it. Y'all tell me how this look. Still got a lot more work to do. But it's just the beginning. Carpet never been so clean. It's like night and day. That's the color the carpet supposed to be in this car. A nice tan color. And you see we did something different with the center console. Since we're not going to be using the factory radio, we're going to do an aftermarket radio. We deleted the other radio that sits right there, the CD changer that's sitting over there on the floor. We're not going to use that. We had a whole new center console. And while I was at it, I removed the old headliner. So it was big dark in here. We got the headliner removed and the back part so I can replace those speakers while I'm at it. So we do good to work over here. Bringing her back from the dead. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing on a donation Honda Civic. Or say, what's up, Easy? We love what you do for us. I don't care. Just leave something down there for me to read and reply back. I love replying back. And if you haven't already, please consider sharing this video on your social media with your friends, family, and co-workers. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel, Easy's Rebuilds. We also have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations of cars, just like the one I'm sitting in. And you can also go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. It's all links in the description area below to everything I just said. Go check us out. Go check out the links in the description area below. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people.
Deuces!